Living in London during the summer, you can easily go from needing sunglasses to needing an umbrella 3 different times in a single afternoon. Because the sky changes so fast, I want an easy way to glance at my browser and know what I'm walking into when I leave the office. So today, I'm going to use some cool new coding agent tools, our extension skill, and Chrome DevTools for agents to build a weather extension to save my next commute home. Today we're going to work in Antigravity, but you can use these tools with any coding agent. Check out the link in the description for installation instructions for your coding agent of choice. Now, first, let's give our agent the exact rulebook for extension development. Modern web guidance is a set of skills that embed web platform expertise, best practices, and browser compatibility data directly into your coding agents. It has an extension skill, which we will use today. Jumping into Antigravity, we can add the extension skill by going to Settings, Customizations, Build with Google Plugins, and downloading Modern Web Guidance, which comes with the extension skill. The recommended installation for most other coding agents like Claude Code and Codex is through the Modern Web Guidance CLI. During the CLI installation, you need to choose to add the extension skill pack. Now, whenever the agent writes code for us, it will use all of the latest best practices our team has for building Chrome extensions. Next, we'll install Chrome DevTools for agents, which gives AI coding assistants the ability to install, uninstall, reload, and debug extensions directly in Chrome. Let's go to Settings, Customizations, add MCP, and look for DevTools. Let's add Chrome DevTools for agents. Now I need to go back and edit the MCP config file to add the extensions category. I'm going to add category extensions. And let's refresh. And I can see we've added a few more tools for extensions. You can also find this file in your agent's configuration directory. For Antigravity, this will be in .gemini/config/mcpconfig.json. With our tooling set up, let's give it the initial prompt. Build a Chrome extension using a free weather API to show weather in London in a pop-up. The extension icon should change to reflect the weather conditions like sun, rain, or clouds. Then test the extension in the browser using DevTools MCP to verify it works. Let's let Antigravity do its thing. And here's an implementation plan for me to review. Let's fetch weather more often. Let's make it a 15-minute alarm. Okay, looks good to me. Let's proceed. Amazing! Antigravity launches the browser, loads the extensions, and I can see it's another sunny day in London. Fantastic! This is great, but I've got a picnic later this week, and I want to be prepared. Luckily, development is iterative. Let's try adding a forecast feature to my extension. Add a 3-day forecast to my extension and test it in the browser to verify it works. All right, that worked, and it looks like it's going to be another hot day. Because the DevTools MCP has access to the browser session, the agent doesn't just write the code. It triggers an automatic reload and validates the state. No manual extension loading, no need to click the refresh button 50 times. So, by combining best practice context with automated debugging in the browser, you can eliminate the manual friction of extension development. Be sure to install the extension skill, set up your DevTools for agents configuration, and try it out on your next project. Let me know in the comments what you're building next, and see you in a future episode of Developer Mode.